Welcome back. So this is the detailed course outline of what is going to be covered. So we're going to understand again introduction to Power Pivot. What is Power Pivot? Understanding the data set that we're going to be using. How do we prepare our data? Basically, how do we import those files? How do we clean some of that? Okay, so that's something that we will be doing. Once that is done, we are going to build the data model. That's between lesson 7 to 9. How do we create those relationships, etc. And then we will look at how do we build our first Power Pivot report. Then we're going to understand some of the basic DAX functions. What is a calculated column? What is a measure? All of that. And then we move on to a little more advanced DAX functions, that is said. Once we have the DAX, all of that, then we move to building the dashboard. Okay. How do we plan the dashboard? How do we create those charts, the interactions or the interactive dashboards? And we're going to look at the real business scenarios, right? We have the data and how do we use that? Could we look at the sales performance, the store performance analysis, all of that. And of course, some of the bonus or the way forward on this is what we will be doing. And like I mentioned, yes, please, if you have not downloaded the file already, please download the file. The link is in the description below. You can download the file and practice along. As while you can hear to me speaking, it is always better if you try and practice this along. So you're going to get better one, and you will have questions only when you practice them, or only when you start doing you will have questions. And please go ahead and ask them in the comments, and I will definitely be more than happy to assist you with that. There's also a complete data or a book on how do we install all of this, so you can download that as well in the resource below. So I will see you on the other side.